a few years back, see, I was brought to the ER. Okay, ay naman pag-umay diya kay Joker ni. So, the nurse got my kanang vital signs. Okay? After doing it, she said, Maria, how tall are you? So I said, and I'm so proud. And I said, I'm 4'11". And she said, no, you're telling a lie. You're only 4'10 and a half. And I told her, don't do that. Because my math teacher in high school told me if the digits after the decimal point is above 5 and above, round it off. So, I'm 4'11". Okay? Clap your hands. High school life. Oy! High school life. Oh, my high school days. I remember kay saya. Kay ganda.
For my high school life, every memory kay ganda. High school days, oh my high school days are exciting kay saya. There are times may problema ka kung ang homework left undone. Pray ka lang, huwag tawagin ka upang di pagtawanan.
Di ba nalang magtagyan? Yamot si Miss Nagumbay, kadungdungo, atong English teacher. Nasaptan bang ko niya. So, Roma, ato na doon sa likod. Takyan ka, the whole class. Ano ka? Takyan niyo, my whole class.
Ang first love ko ay di serious, so it seems. Kung alam lang ang first love ko,
G! Yeah!
Ay ang kanang kuan di ba pag-anak dayon salon salon the whole class gyud ga kuan nag-anak ko gibana ko sa front
pasulat ko 2000 I will not run again, I promise I will not run again. 2000 so good thing kay naa si Nancy Caballero, mga friends sila Juliet Gaco, sila Lourdes, sila dagang kay ni so gitabangan ko sila okay duha ka ballpen kay dali man ka 2000 I will not, I promise I will not so move na siya.
High school life, but ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga? Ang saya ng high school, 7 years in my school, di na mapapantayan. Chapter nga ng buhay, nasadyang makulay, alaala kailanman. High school life, for my high school life, every memory kay ganda. High school days, oh my high school days are exciting kay saya. High school life, but ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga? High school life, but ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga? High school life, but ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga? High school